I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can apply your winged eyeliner if you have hooded eyes. So I'm using the Quick Flick eyeliner stamps. I'm using the size Modest. So there is a right stamp and a left stamp. I'm going to go into my right eye first. If you're someone that applies your eyeliner about here on this angle, your eye is actually going to look longer. However, if you apply it on a more of an upwards angle, your eye is going to look more lifted. Now, when I apply the stamp, I have my eye open opposed to closed. This is super important so that the wing does not change once you open your eye. The first step is always starting with your eye open and stamping on the edge of your hood. So the first way to apply eyeliner with hooded eyes is literally just stamping and then dragging across opposed to stamping and then lining with the other side. So I just stamp it on that slightly more upwards angle and drag it across my lash line. Just like that. So you're just going to go in with the other side of the eyeliner stamp pen and connect the wing up. So the stamp and drag method actually works on its own, but if you want to thicken up your wing or fill it out a bit more, I just go in with the pen. And that's literally it. Now for the left side, I'm going to do the stamp and line with the other side. Again, my eye is open for the stamp. And now I'm going to go in and line. So going with the pen side just to connect up my wing and line it along my lash line. And that's literally it. So you can pick whichever technique you like if you have hooded eyes with either the stamp and the drag or the stamp and line. And both of those will help you out and have you with perfect looking winged eyeliner.